Hola Rizos Reinas, I'm Julissa Prado, founder of Rizos Curls. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved these results doing my wash and go utilizing the 4-step system of Rizos Curls. Step 1, the hydrating shampoo. Step 2, the deep conditioner. Step 3, the refresh and detangle spray. And step 4, the curl defining cream. The very first step, I've already washed my hair with the Rizos Curls shampoo. When washing your hair with the Rizos Curls shampoo, make sure to focus on your scalp. The moringa oil in it is very good for dry or itchy scalp. And as you're washing, make sure you massage your scalp and really moisturize your scalp with the product while doing so. This will be really good for gently cleaning your scalp without drying, but making sure to moisturize it enough to relieve dry or itchy scalp. For step 2 of the wash and go, we use the conditioner. I've already conditioned my hair as well, and when conditioning, make sure you focus on the rest of your hair. So the shampoo is for your scalp and the conditioner is for the rest of your hair to try to add some more moisture, try to add some more nutrients back into your hair after all the damage that's been through the days. The conditioner has great ingredients like olive oil, sunflower oil, shea butter, coconut oil, and all these ingredients help add more nutrients and to repair from any damage that it may have. After shampooing and deep conditioning, I like to wrap my hair and dry it with a microfiber towel. Microfiber towels help reduce frizz. All right, so as you can see, my hair is nice, washed right out of the shower. I kind of absorb any extra moisture with the microfiber towel. For step 3 of this wash and go is to use the refresh and detangle spray as a detangling spray, and I use it as a leave-in to add more moisture into my hair. This step is necessary for people that require extra moisture in their hair. So if you have a thicker or drier or color treated hair type, or if your hair has been damaged, it is recommended to use the refresh and detangle spray as a leave-in before applying the curl cream. So now for step 3, I'm going to spray the refresher spray all over my hair as a leave-in. When applying the refresh and detangle spray, make sure that you focus on giving extra love to the areas that are extra dry, require extra moisture, or maybe a little bit damaged. While spraying the refresher spray, I like to smooth it into my hair so that my hair can absorb it and really take in all the wonderful ingredients in this refresh and detangle spray. Now, for the 4th step of this wash and go, I'm going to utilize the curl defining cream. The curl defining cream, as people may call it, the magic potion for curls, is amazing for defining, enhancing, moisturizing, and holding your curls. So whatever your hair texture is, the curl defining cream does a really good job at enhancing your texture, extra defining it, and making it look really perfect. So for the curl defining cream, it's a little bit thicker in consistency than the refresher spray. So if you have thinner hair, or if you have hair that doesn't require that much moisture, I would suggest doing the 30-60-90 method when applying. The 30-60-90 method means that you start out very light, and at 30% dry, you stop, analyze your hair, and then add a little bit more product. Then you do the exact same thing at 60% dry. You stop, add a little bit more product in the areas that need it, and before continuing to dry, and then you do the exact same thing at 90%. So at 90% dry, you see if there's any areas that still may need product, you kind of add to it, and then you continue drying. That way, you don't put too much product in your hair. So if anything, when doing your hair, make sure that you start light and you can always add product as you go. So this is about how much I am using. And I'm going to be utilizing the praying hands method and scrunch. So when applying the product, I like to use the praying hands to smooth the product evenly throughout my hair, making sure it's really in there, and then I scrunch. scratch. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. After applying all of the product that you need into your hair, it's important to kind of analyze your hair, see what areas need a little bit more scrunching. When scrunching, this creates the pattern. This allows for your hair to kind of scrunch more, curl more, and you're kind of creating the texture that you want. You can also finger coil your hair to ensure that certain areas curl exactly how you want them. So when finger coiling, you just kind of twist, 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 and then scrunch. Now that you're done with step 1, shampoo, step 2, condition, step 3, refresh and detangle spray, and step 4, curl defining cream, you're ready to either air dry your hair or blow dry with the diffuser. When first trying out a product, you're kind of learning how much of it you need to style your hair, because how much you use, how you style, how you apply the product to your hair has so much to do with the results that you get. That's why it's important that when first trying out a product, you start out light, add as you go, so that you don't overuse a product. Which is why for the beginning, I usually recommend blow drying with a diffuser so that you can try the 30, 60, 90 method so that you can add more product as you go. Now we're going to blow dry with the diffuser. When blow drying with the diffuser, if you want extra volume, I would recommend blow drying with your head upside down and scrunching as you go. Now, my hair is about 60% dry, so I'm gonna stop blow drying, analyze my hair, see what areas require more moisture. For me, I feel like the back of my head needs a little bit more curl cream. So I'm gonna apply about that much and smooth it on and scrunch. Now I'm gonna continue blow drying my hair. My hair is now about 90% dry. It's still kind of wet in the root in the back. And I'm gonna stop, analyze, see what else I need. I feel like my hair needs a little bit more moisture. So instead of using the curl defining cream, I'm gonna add a little bit refresh and detangle spray on the inside drier areas. So I'm gonna add a little bit and a little bit to the back as well. Since like I said, the back of my head is where I need the most moisture because it's very, very dry. Okay, now you kind of spread it out, scrunch, and continue blow drying. I have now finished blow drying my hair. My hair is nice and dry and full. Now, I love volume. I like to get my hair as voluminous as possible. So, for people that like volume, I recommend taking a hair pick and fluffing your hair upside down. This is how you do it. I just finished washing my hair, and now these are my results of my wash and go. Nice and voluminous. And I've created ringlets.